Their silent, vibrant dance shaped human beliefs. Butterflies are more than just beautiful insects. Their life cycle holds profound symbolic power. Across cultures, they represent deep mysteries. From ancient myths to modern art, they inspire. These tiny creatures embody powerful transformations. Today, we explore their rich cultural heritage. Ancient Egyptians linked butterflies to the human soul. Their delicate flight symbolized the departing Ka. Greeks called them Psyche, meaning soul or mind. The myth of Psyche and Eros features the butterfly. This tiny insect represented eternal life itself. Greek art often depicted winged maidens, Psyches. These figures embodied the human spirit's journey. In Japan, butterflies hold diverse, deep meanings. One butterfly can represent a young woman's spirit. Two butterflies symbolize lasting marital happiness. Samurai warriors valued the butterfly's transformation. They saw courage in its emergence from a cocoon. Chinese culture connects butterflies to enduring love. The butterfly lover's legend tells a tragic romance. Christianity views butterflies as resurrection symbols. The caterpillar's cocoon mirrors the tomb's enclosure. Emergence signifies new life, spiritual rebirth. Many cultures associate them with angelic messengers. Some believe they carry human wishes heavenward. Irish folklore links them to departed children's souls. They are seen as souls passing to the afterlife. Monarch butterflies undertake epic, multi-generational migrations. They travel thousands of miles to specific Mexican forests. Their arrival coincides with the Day of the Dead. Indigenous cultures saw them as returning ancestral souls. They represent loved ones visiting from the spirit world. Monarchs symbolize life, death, and sacred renewal. Today, butterflies continue inspiring artists globally. Their intricate patterns adorn modern fashion and art. Designers mimic their vibrant colors and delicate forms. Conservation efforts protect their fragile habitats worldwide. Losing them means losing a vital cultural heritage. Their delicate existence reflects our own planet's health. These tiny creatures teach us resilience and beauty. Butterflies are truly more than just insects. They are ancient, global symbols of profound transformation. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.